Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Natasha Nicole here. So I am coming to give y'all this initial review basically on this Alipearl wig that has been through the ringer. It took a lot with this hair, not necessarily because it was bad hair, more so as in user error, and a lot of stuff happened, but it actually turned out a lot better than I thought. I was really excited because this is my first 6x6 frontal, so it actually gives me like more parting space, and that's what I really wanted, because I really want the flip over method. I don't necessarily want a part, I just wanted it to, you know, flip over. But yeah, initial review of this hair. I'm gonna come through every week and give y'all an update about this hair, and so y'all will know a little more about it. Maybe you decided you may want to purchase it, maybe not. The hair, as far as quality, is amazing. The shipping, I actually did an unboxing, so you can go and watch that. I'll make sure to leave that link below as well. Shipping and everything, as far as that end of everything, was great. The hair is really soft. I really do love the hair. This wig though is kind of a little bit wet right now, but I don't know, it doesn't feel as heavy as I like for my hair to feel. This hair is, I feel like, on the thinner side, but as you can see in the back, you can't see any tracks or anything, so I guess you could consider it okay. But I like big full hair, and especially since I messed my closure up the way that I did, you know, I don't know, I didn't over pluck or anything like that, but it's just like I wish I had more hair on the top, because when I do this like flip over method, like I like for it to be like very voluminous, you know. So whatever, it's okay. But when it dries, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look like, you know, doesn't, I don't know, I can't keep my hands out of it. It doesn't look, you know, like it's not full, but I can like I don't like that. I want more hair. I want more hair. But anyway, this is my first time ever buying a wig, so maybe that's how wigs come. Maybe you have to always purchase them like with a density to them. I don't remember purchasing this wig and it said a specific density. I have to actually like go back and look. You're probably wondering how much I paid for the wig. So I think altogether I paid like $160 for this wig. This is 18 inches of the Brazilian water wave hair, so this would be great vacation hair. This wig, I feel like, will last me a long time. We will see if that holds up to be true, but it feels like good quality. It was made with really great quality. It said that it was pre-plucked, but of course it wasn't. I had to go back through and like customize it some more to kind of really get this customization on it, but it really wasn't that bad. The closure was actually really amazing. That was my fault. I don't know if I'm gonna insert it into this video or not, but I messed up the closure pretty bad because I had my hot comb, and I'm talking about everything was done, it was laid. I was just ready to like put it on, so I was like, let me just go ahead and hot comb it before I put it on to my head, and it just like burnt right through the lace. Like the lace was so soft. The lace is, they say it was transparent. I can still kind of see it. So is it transparent to me or to you? But anyway, they said it was transparent, so it is what it is. It was soft. It was very, I could see why it blended well though, because the lace was so soft. Usually when I have lace, I never had that problem of burning the lace before, but maybe it's always because I always bought the bundles and did it myself, and I always noticed like my lace was a little bit stiffer. This one's more like fabricy, like really delicate, so you have to be careful with that part. But as far as like a beginner friendly wig, this is definitely beginner friendly. You didn't have to necessarily pluck it out. If you watch my initial, or if you watch my unboxing video, you can see that the hairline was kind of pre-plucked. Just I like mine a little more plucked than that, so I understand them not going overboard, because some people may want thicker hairlines, you know. Me, I like for mine to be, you know, really, you know, meshed well or whatever. So I mean, It's okay. It's okay. I like the hair. It's going to work out. Yeah, I just hate that I messed it up because I would have had a lot more space, but it actually doesn't look bad like this. If I could say anything, I don't necessarily like the ear tabs on the wig. Most of my wigs kind of come from here and kind of come back behind my ear. So I have like, or maybe it's because I got a 6x6 closure, but my closure is like from here to like here. So I really only have like that much space left. So it really is very frontal like. Maybe if I pluck a little more over here, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. But either way, I like it. I just don't necessarily like the ear tabs. I'm kind of having to kind of like push them back to kind of keep them behind my ear. I usually only bobby pin my hair on anyway because I take this off every night. Ain't nobody sleeping like this. But yeah, I guess I can kind of get used to it. Kind of keeping the hair over my ear. I'm so used to kind of like pushing my hair back behind my ear. But it just looks so thick right here, which is what I don't necessarily like. But whatever, it ain't a frontal. It's not a frontal. I mean, it is what it is. So yeah, the hair is starting to dry, but you see me installing it and it wasn't hard at all. So I would say definitely try out Alipearl hair. I'm a fan of their hair. Next time I know to be a little bit softer with the closure, to not, you know, put, you know, the hot comb on there or whatever, because that was just like bad. But other than that, I really don't have anything else to really say about this hair. I feel like I've told you everything as far as the specs and everything. Yes, it is beginner friendly, but hopefully when I come back next week and following weeks after that, I'll have a little more to say about the hair. Maybe how it's performing, how does it hold a curl, does it nap up, because it feels like once it dries, it feels like it's getting like frizzier, but that's probably because I'm not keeping my hands out of it when it was drying. So we gonna see, because this ain't the kind of hair that you can just like wet and go out the house and let it dry. It just looks like a wet dog, kind of like flat. I don't like that, but some people may like that. But yeah, now it's starting to dry, get a little more fluff into it. I'm starting to like it. I did get shedding initially, but it isn't something that, the shedding isn't something that would deter me necessarily from purchasing the hair. You're always gonna get a little bit of shedding anyway, especially with curlier hair. Yeah, so initial review, I would say, went well. Hopefully y'all really enjoyed this video. I will be doing more installation videos, and I do plan on purchasing more already constructed wigs, only because I know a lot of people that follow me here on my channel don't necessarily have the time to go and make their wigs themselves, or either they just don't know how to do it, too lazy to do it, don't have time to do it, or just don't want to do it. So I'm gonna try to start purchasing more wigs that are already constructed, so I can give you, you know, just better feedback, and you know, so I can really tell you what's going on. But yeah, for my first 6x6 closure, I do love the parting space, and it goes back 6 inches. I think I showed y'all that. But yeah, so first off, I don't have anything to say. It's good right now. Let's see how the lace and everything holds up. Let's see how these curls hold up. Let's see if it's gonna be frizzy and a nasty mess. I'm already wanting to put more water on it because I feel like it's frizzy right here and I shouldn't have been touching it. So I'm just gonna kind of let it dry without touching it, and then fluff it up later. So I'm gonna stop touching. We're gonna wet this other side. So yeah, but anywho, okay, I'm not gonna touch it no more. We're just gonna flip her over like here, because that's what I want her to be, flipped over. Okay, so we're not gonna touch the hair no more. We're just gonna leave it alone, let it do what it do, and let it dry. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, please feel free to leave those below. I will see y'all in my next video, and hopefully it won't be until next week when this one comes out, but we shall see. Yeah, if you like this video, make sure you thumbs up, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all next week.